Okay, we're gonna set up these truss posts. They have a cleat on them. And we'll just leave it loose at the bottom for now. It's got to make sure you're in the right spot where your drawings tell you to. Now we're going to put the top plate on. So it has sort of a slotted hole on the top, and you'll notice there's a punch for the truss up top. There's 3. So we're facing our truss flat side this way. So this plate will line up with the back punch there of those 3 punches. And what I use is washer and a nut. Okay, and these will just get loosely bolted in for now. They get a bigger nut and bolt, a 3/8. Now this isn't integral at all, but I like to keep all my bolts facing the one way. And my nuts sort of inside hiding in the T. It just looks nicer to me. Now, you see that my bolts aren't quite fitting in quite nicely yet, so I'm threading them in just to help save the splines on the other end. If you hammer them too hard, you could wreck the spline and then the bolts will seize up. Now that our truss is built, I'm gonna go tighten everything up. What I like to do is have an open end on one end, ratcheting 9/16 socket on the other, and just sort of slowly work from one side to the other. And just carry on through to the top and make sure everything lines up real nice. Okay, we're gonna pin the base post now of the truss, but before you do that, we want to get some sealant in behind there because we haven't sealed the base yet. So let's get some in behind there. And just push it back up. Get your post nice and level. And repeat on the other side.